Okay, so this is quick, maybe not review, the presentation of Philips Perfect Care Elite, top of the line Philips ironing station, and Bosch active board, which is an ironing board with two-way blowing fan. So it works like that if you enable it, it will pump air through this board, and also you can reverse direction, and with reverse direction it will suck your blanket or something like that to the board itself. So for this test, I tested it already with my wife's summer dress, but it was not a challenge, of course. I have my shirt that is quite wrinkled, as you can see, and now I will try to make it nice and straight again. So you have to excuse my I'm working with only one hand here, but I'm really interested in how this will work out. Of course my cat hair are already all over this board, but as you can imagine, Siberian cats have lots of hair. So the first problem is that when you lay your shirt like that, with blowing on, it will slide. So I think better option will be suction in this particular case. The board itself is not very loud, as you will see in a moment. Iron is much more loud. I am ironing on the standard setting. It's not turbo, and it works actually quite nice. This iron has this function that you can lay it on your shirt and it will not burn, not melt, because iron can detect that you left it laying on the board, and it will stop heating. So from my point of view, this works really nice with the suction option, not so nice with blowing, but for dress, this is very light summer dress, it worked perfectly with blowing option on. I think also tablecloth or blankets, if you want to iron that, will be working much better with suction than with blowing. Okay, so it will be it for now. I think the results are very good. The board itself is quite expensive, it's almost 200 euros. The iron is more expensive, it's like 250 euros, I think. But I think the setup is worth it. I personally own a lower model for like 200 euros or 150 euros, and this iron is much better. It's slim, very light, very fast. I think it's also much faster than mine. You can lay it like that and it will stop heating. It's a very cool function. So this is much faster, easier to work with, but the board itself, as you can see, there is old board here. This is wood. The board itself is something magnificent. There is not much many reviews on the internet of this board, but this is why I decided to make mine. And I can tell you that this is something really different. It really makes a difference when you ironing very difficult shirts like this one. I think this is one of my most difficult to iron shirt, and this is very nice and very fast. I think if I would not filming, I can iron this shirt in less than 5 minutes, and it would take me with standard iron like that, it would take me I think like 15 or 20 minutes, so it's much faster. If you want to iron efficiently, if you have lots of ironing, this will be much better for you. So thank you for your attention, and bye.